Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 12 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. Now, to get started, you want to open up Settings, and from there scroll down to Battery, and at the top you will have the low power mode. As you can see, it gives you a message that the low power mode temporarily reduces background activity like download and mail fetch until you can fully charge your phone. So judging by how it describes it, I think it will disable itself once the device is fully charged. Once you enable it, it basically waits till the phone is charged and then turns off. But I might be wrong about that one. But in any case, simply tap on it. It gives you the same message that I just read, so continue. And that's it. Now the phone is in power saving mode, and you can see it based on this battery. As you can see, if I have a white background, you can see that instead of it being, well, black as it normally is, right now it's in this kind of orangish color to signify that it's saving battery. So that is how you would enable it. And if you want to disable it, you can simply tap on the toggle right over here to turn it off. Now, I believe there's also a way for you to add it to the notification right here, or Control Center. So we can go into Control Center and find the toggle somewhere in here. There it is, low power mode. So once you add this, you will be able to simply toggle it quickly on from here. But that is basically how you would enable it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.